Hi, we're Supplying Demand, and today we're going to be replacing a few parts on this Frigidaire refrigerator, model FFTR1814TBB. Now we're going to replace the condenser fan motor. This is located on the back of the fridge at the very bottom. To access this, remove the brown cover panel. The fan motor is held into place by a white mounting plate with 3 screws. Remove these and set aside to replace later. Pull the fan off of the motor shaft and remove. Unplug the wiring harness and then remove the fan motor from the fridge. Replace with the Supplying Demand fan motor. This comes with a wiring harness that will need to be plugged into the fan motor and then connected to the wiring harness on the fridge. Put the fan motor back into place and replace the 3 mounting screws. Slide the fan back onto the motor shaft. Replace the brown cover panel on the back of the fridge. Once you're finished, turn the fridge around and plug it back in. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.